when snow carpet covers the whole valley and temperature drops below -16 degrees. Keeping oneself warm becomes primary necessity as well as an obligation for survival in Kashmir. Kangir, a traditional fire pot that Kashmiris are using for more than a century now to cope up with the bitter cold in Kashmir. Kangir was introduced during the reign of Mughal Akbar when Kashmir became part of Mughal Empire. Kangir is made up of two parts. The outer part is an encasement of wicker. Long thin sticks of wicker are used. Inside, there is an earthen bowl-shaped pot called kundul. Art of Kangri weaving continues its legacy despite facing stiff competitions from latest heating gadgetries. This art preserves one of the cultural and traditional heritage of Kashmir.
My name is Ali Mohammed. I am from Dargah. I am car 3 wari gay chani car. Godos has mole, time patruch I see car. I'm patas gay clom at Kichabana, Banawan, Kangir Chibanawan, Tugri Chibanawan, Arka Chiches Banawan. After gay clom at Kichabana, Kangir Yashi, Yazas, I'm broad, call Yoshi by Lagani. Mother one gay compound, Kaji, Yatai will lay Kusin, I'm Mujugay Kangir, the right compound.
Askor kam 3 wari gaya ये कार में करान लल्टी फान आप सुबह करान पत को रेस्ट हम हाक बता खेवान ठीक पे सर्दी मजन ज्यादा पान पकान ना चले कलान अत मन ज्यादा गसान रेत गलम टूरिस्ट तम Kangir